how to turn on page frequently asked questions settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on page frequently asked questions on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and then scroll down until you find here this one, and then just select your page. And now click this settings icon in the top corner and then click this one here, messaging, and now just click on it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.